Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. A great video plan for you guys today. Just to give you guys a quick update on the account, we are currently at 61 for 61 winning trades. I know DOT has been a hot subject lately. I will be going over this video. The 61 for 61 winning trade was actually on Matic, by the way. That was 21.53%. But for DOT in here, guys, I ended up calling this exit for everybody. 21.61% here, and then I actually called one more exit just down here for DOT of 25.18. So I will be going over that trade. If you guys want to know how to trade with me and how to get over here and start winning these trades, we have not lost a single trade on this channel, guys. We've been trading since March of this year, which is basically when the YouTube channel started. 61 for 61 wins. I will show you exactly how to trade that in the second half of this video, so stick around for that. Okay, let's go over DOT right now of how the trade ended up playing out, and then I'm going to give you guys predictions and how to get into the next DOT trade. If you guys have not watched the Bitcoin video I just came out with, make sure you guys do that because it's all talking about BITO, B-I-T-O, the new electronically traded fund for Bitcoin. So make sure you guys watch that. Okay, quick overview, guys. October 11th, got in here at 32.93. Awesome. Price started moving up. We secured 50% profit in here at 35.08. On the 12th, the day after that, we kept moving up, so we exited another 25%. This is exactly what's called scaling out of a position. And then this thing just kept screaming up here. And then what we ended up doing is we ended up seeing that prices got really high up here, ended up setting a stop loss in here on October 15th for 41.34%. And this was a total at the highest percentage win here for 25.18% on 25%. And then obviously this scales down here as you go here. Oops, sorry guys. Scales down. Let me get this out here, the correct one. The first one here was about a 6.34% profit off the first buy limit. The second one was a 12.24% profit off the first buy limit. And then all the way up here at the top where we had our original markup here, which I want to make sure I have correct, 25.81%. So great job, guys. You did fantastic in here. I'm ready for the next trade setup, so do not miss that, and I'll show you exactly how to get in there. Okay. What is going on with DOT right now as far as, predictions of a move up or a move down? Well, let's take a look at this. The trend exhaustion has been just one of the most accurate indicators we will ever have, I believe, honestly, for crypto in general to call pumps in the market. We see the consistency of this and the integrity of this when we just come back and look at how this has performed in the past. When you guys see, I'll just pull this because it's just visually on the chart here. When we see this move into the bottom red section, what's happening with price here? We can see when we get down here, we're actually seeing the pumps move back up. Now, we're not getting, looking for skyrocketing moves all the time. We're in here and what we're doing is called spot trading. So we're in and out of the market a lot. We're taking advantage of compound interest. So when we see these moves down here in the market, we are seeing these moves down where we see this move back up here, and the precursor to these moves back up is that the trend exhaustion is what's called exhausted from going down further. It's kind of just a play on words there of like, it's an exhaustion and it needs to reverse. It's a trend reversal indicator. But what we're also partnering this with is the well money flow in here, where we see the green line in here, the prices in pink here, where when this gets tapped out at bottom sections, guys, even the big boys love to buy and they love to sell during market cycles. They're not all holding. So when we push down the lower sections here, it's a great precursor that we're most likely going to see a move back up. Also, if you guys can see how this actually works, if you ever get a low and a higher low on the chart for the flow of money, and you get a low and a lower low on the price action, okay, you guys follow me here? A lower low on price action, a high and a higher high on the well money flow. Sorry, guys. Let me get this out of the way here. People messaging me this morning. This is a precursor for a move back up in the market. Okay, follow me over here. We can clearly see that when this happened before in the bottom section here, we are seeing that the price is moving back up here. We saw this get close to the bottom red section. We saw a little bit of consolidation, a move back down, and then we saw this pump back up. This here was correlated to this move up in the market there. We clearly see a nice move up, and then we push down to the bottom two red sections here. That's where we could not go any further. That's exactly where we got picked up on our 32.93 entry over here, and then we've been riding up ever since then, and we've obviously seen this push down into the bottom sections here. Nice move down here, and seeing a move back up. So are we more on the bottom side of the well money flow in the trend exhaustion or the top? Well, we're definitely more on the bottom side. So I would expect to see, possibly a little bit of a further move down here because we could push down to the bottom red section further. And yes, the well money flow has a little bit more of a room down here before we basically tap out here at the bottom for this to move down. The next buy limit is very, very close to this area, so make sure you guys are not missing that, and I'll show you how to get in there. But once we do that, since we are at such low prices here, I do believe we will start seeing another pushback up here to the upside, get us into some nice profits. And guys, at minimum, check this out. If we can at least get into this long trade down here, and then let's say I think it's right around this area, if we can push up the structure high, that's another 13% winning trade on top of the 25% you guys already took. So make sure you're watching that. Let's move over to the metrics real quick for DOT, and then I'll show you guys exactly how to set up our trade so you don't miss another entry. Okay, this is super exciting. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time is going to update, which is literally 40 minutes. The emotional index is still up into this excited area. When this is up here, I just like to watch and see, you know what? Just watch for some drops. When retail traders are excited, we come down here to the well and institutional smart money, and we can see what's happening is the accumulation of short trades was crazy when we hit this high up here. Okay, DOT hitting the high up here, looking for shorts in the market. Great, they've already made their monies, all the wells institutions using 5 to 10x leverage, crazy profits. Okay, let's go up here and just move down here with us. Long versus short trades. What's happening on the blockchain for DOT? Right now, what we're seeing is price structure is moving down. Obviously, that's super clear because we can see this over here. Price structure is moving in a downward fashion. But what is happening is there is an accumulation of long trades. So people are looking to buy the dip here, which is very nice as far as an argument of a move back up. But hold on. What else is happening? We also see that short trades are increasing on the blockchain as well for Bitfinex. So this is putting a little bit of pressure on everybody trying to go long right now. So there's a little bit of a tug of war happening right now with DOT trying to figure out, okay, we got the low here, we got the high, we got the higher low. Are we going to actually try to push up right now? Or are we going to try to break some structures in here, supports, and actually break down here and drop even further? Well, from a trend exhaustion and money flow perspective, yes, can absolutely head down further here, but it is looking like if we head down, we're looking to, as a precursor, to move up a little bit faster than just continuing to drop and drop and drop and drop. So that is something I want you guys to watch for because this next trade could be a fast winner, which could put us at 62 for 62 wins on this channel. Taking a look at this long versus short trade, where is this blue line metric, guys? It is sitting within this middle section here of neutral. What does this mean? It means do not take any trades right now with market orders. The best thing to do is to wait for the buy limit to get hit, which is just a little bit lower in here, and then you can ride this up after that. Taking a look at this metric, I just went over this a few seconds ago. What we're seeing is the wells and institutions are in here, and they are looking for short trades in the market. They've already taken out short trades here, and they made a great amount of money on this higher low formation. Great, low, high, higher, low. They dropped the price back down. What are we seeing over here? The accumulation of shorts got really strong up here at the high, and I've already shown you guys the moves down there before. When we see this happen historically, when we've seen these nice pumps in the market, this is the pump I'm talking about right here. When we get to the top, this is not the time to be FOMOing into these high prices. What is it the best time to be doing? It is the best time to be selling your long trades, guys, exactly how we did, and it is not time to be buying into the market. Everyone who bought into this right here is currently into the negative, okay? Everybody who bought into the top of this candle here is currently in the negative. They're holding the bag right now, and this could go down a little bit further. Why not be patient and wait for a move back down? It's because emotions take over. They literally, guys, emotions will get into your system and they will force you to click the button because it says, oh my gosh, it's going to the moon without me. That is exactly why you guys push the button to get into these trades. You visually see something, you emotionally get stimulated, the emotions make your finger press down and click a button that says buy, okay? What we are doing on this channel, we are doing the exact opposite of those of you guys who are doing that. I'm not trying to be rude at all. But everybody who gets in here and they FOMO into these prices, we're looking at our indicators in here and we're like, no, like absolutely not. We're getting into this pump move because we're at the top of the trend exhaustion. And look at what's happened like almost every time we've gotten in the top section here. We've seen crashes. This is why you guys need these indicators on your charts. You will save yourself so much time and money just looking at the market. And it's like, look at this. Don't FOMO in, it's gonna crash. Don't FOMO in, it's gonna crash. Don't FOMO in, it's gonna crash. Don't FOMO in, guys, it's gonna crash. And by the way, don't FOMO in, it's going to crash. Like, do you need more proof in here? This is 5 times in a row. This would have saved you guys from getting into these positions. Nothing ever just keeps going up, okay? It's a misconception. I'm trying to like debunk that on this channel, that nothing just goes to the moon. Everything has pullbacks. There's always time to get in. And if you're patient, patience makes you profit. Patience is what creates wealthy traders. I promise you guys. I'm trying to prove that to you on this channel. Haven't lost a single trade yet. Okay, DOT, US dollar, support and resistance. Where is this thing going to go down to if it does crash? Well, I'm really looking around this level of about this structure here, about $35 to $38. So let's take a look at $35 to $38. It puts us right around this area. So we got structure here, we got a structure here, we got a structure here, and right there, okay? Great, a great level of support. Now our buy limit, however, just to let you guys know, is sitting somewhere around this area. So when you guys get triggered in here, this will be a nice buy to get a move back up, okay? I'll show you guys how to get into that in just a second. Let me just finish up real quick. Dollar cost average entries on DOT. Congratulations, guys. Like, this is probably the easiest easiest money you will ever make. If you have like 10,000 bucks and you're like, I want to just throw my money into the market at low points with a prediction of it's going to go up fairly soon, awesome. You guys can do that. This is not financial advice, entertainment purposes only, but this is telling you guys where to get in before the price moves up. Great. You guys are all in the profit. Maybe might look to take a little bit of profit because we've got this signal coming out. So we do see the exit points are coming out here and saying, hey guys, hello. This might see a little bit of a drop back down on the market, a little bit of a drop back down on the market, a drop back down in the market. What we're doing here is I'm watching this. And again, I am not going to FOMO into this price structure up here. We are going to be selling our long trades because you should have been patient. This is heading down right now. So please, okay, I'm just going to do this. Let's get into the second half of the video, how you set this trade up, because I want to get this video out. Here's what you guys do. The membership is $49 a month. Great. It's the cheapest membership you guys will ever purchase. I honestly believe for the amount of win rate we have and the amount of success the traders have. I am going to be looking to up the price of this. So get in now. You'll be grandfathered in at $49 a month if and when I ever up the price, okay? That means if it ups, you can stay for $49 forever as long as you have your membership. Great. You get access to all the metrics up here, but the most important thing you guys need to do in here is get your long trades set up. You guys scroll all the way down. Here is Polkadot Metrics, DOT. I want you guys to be aware of that because that's a good trade setup right now. But looking at the older ones in here, Polkadot, right here, DOT. It's on the second page, so make sure you guys look at that. See? Second page right here. Click this. What you guys are going to see is a chart that looks exactly like this. I want to keep it private for our paying subscribers. This is what it's going to look like. At 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all of our charts update, and there's going to be some updates this morning, so make sure you guys check. Bitcoin is one of those. The buy limit is going to update. For DOT, you're going to see 4 yellow lines below the current price of DOT. I'm on Bitcoin here just for an example. Price structure is going to move down. You're going to get triggered into your first buy limit, okay? Once that happens here, you guys need to set a sell limit up here. If you have $1,000, it's simply just parsing your trade allocation out into 25% increments. So 25% here, 25, 25, 25. $1,000 would be 250, 250, 250, 250. Guys, once you're in your first buy limit, set your sell limit up here and just wait. That's all you guys are doing. Here's a video of exactly how to do it if you guys want to know exactly, a visual of how do I do this. It's just a little bit, easier for you guys to follow. Once you do that, click the Telegram channel down here and it has a hot link. Make sure you're already signed into Telegram. I say this all the time, and get in over here so you guys join me on the Telegram channel where I'm calling these exits for you guys as well as just market updates for you guys in the market. People are doing so well with us in this channel over here, and make sure you guys get these indicators over here because this is how we are calling. I've shown you guys call the drop here, call the drop there, call the drop here, call the drop there, call the drop, call the drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can arguably say this even the 6th time right here, 7th time on the chart over here, 7 times in a row, this indicator called it. So if I'm not on the videos and you guys are like, I wonder if I should FOMO into a trade right now, maybe just check to see if you guys have this pushed up in the top section here because it is held true 7 times in a row where we've seen a drop back down. Look at the moves up here. We saw when it got to the red section, we saw a move up. Bottom red section, we saw a move up. Bottom red section here, we saw the move up. Bottom red section, we saw the move up. Bottom red section here, we ended up seeing this little move up here. So watch for these indicators to hold true. That's why you guys need it. The price versus the well money flow, the trend exhaustion is going up in price. This is going to go up at the end of the month right here. The price versus well money flow, I'm also up in the trend exhaustion before the end of the year, but the bundle pack will not go up in price this month. Guys, this is the most ridiculous, cheapest that you guys will get all the indicators on sale for. Okay, I just want to make this clear so you guys don't miss out on this. This is going to be giving you all of these 5 indicators plus 4 extra ones for the bundle pack down here. Just click it, go to our Gumroad site. You guys can check out today. At minimum, get the price versus the well money flow and the trend exhaustion so you can follow me here and follow me when I make trade calls on the Telegram channel. Okay? That's it, guys. Congratulations for 25.18% win on DOT. Make sure your next buy limit is set up. We could absolutely be hitting this today if we see a nice bear pressure take off in the market here. So watch that, get it set up, get us the next trade. I'll be covering that on this channel as well as the Telegram trade. Good job, guys. God bless you so much. Have an amazing day. I'll probably come out with one more video today before I call it a day, and I'll go over to emails to answer all you guys' questions, but make sure you guys are setting up your buy limits so you don't miss these next entries here so you guys can trade with us, and let's see if we can go for 65 or maybe even possibly 70 for 70 wins by the end of this month. I'll see you guys later. Get the indicators, get your membership over here at tradeconfident.io, sign up here, trade with us as long as you guys want, and make the money with us. God bless you guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.